Hello and welcome to our channel Nuturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos. Today, I am here to discuss on the topic what role
Paprika. Paprika is a spice made from the grinding of dried sweet red bell peppers. The word comes from a Serbian word meaning pepper. Paprika is widely used in different cuisines such as Indian, Spanish, Turkish, and Moroccan. However, Hungary stands out among all these cuisines. In fact, their very own Hungarian paprika is believed to be one of the finest quality spice today. Peppers are highly appreciated in many cuisines for their many benefits and uses. They are one of the most common cooking ingredients used around the world, mainly because of the flavor they add to dishes. Paprika is not as spicy as cayenne or jalapeno powder. Paprika also comes in various colors ranging from bright red to brown. Surprisingly, red paprika is said to be the mildest, while those that are tan or yellow are often the spiciest. These spices can be used fresh or dried and come in powdered form, one example of which is paprika. Paprika actually loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, carotenoid and antioxidant that can deliver many benefits to your body. Ways to use paprika. Paprika is usually used to add color to different kind of food like chicken, fish, etc. It is often mixed with red pepper and is sprinkled over popcorns to give it a delicious taste. Mix into a meat rub. Marinate chicken, beef or pork in olive oil, paprika, chili powder and salt for at least an hour or overnight. Then grill over moderate heat until cooked through. Season corn on the cob. After grilling corn, slather it in butter and sprinkle with paprika or cottage cheese. Corn on the cob never tasted so good. Garnish deboiled eggs. Just before serving, garnish deboiled eggs with paprika. It not only looks restaurant worthy, paprika also adds a touch of spice that's perfect with the creamy filling inside the eggs. Toss with potatoes. Cutter red and gold potatoes, toss with olive oil, paprika and salt and roast at 425 Fahrenheit until golden and crisp. Flavor meatballs. Add spice and flavor to meatballs by mixing egg, chopped parsley, mint, paprika, cumin and cinnamon into a pound of ground beef, then cook over moderate heat. Add into hummus. Add color and flavor to plain hummus with a sprinkle of paprika. Be sure to distribute it evenly so that every bite is just as delicious as the next. Toss with mixed nut. Toss mixed of nuts with olive oil, paprika, chili powder and salt and roast at 400 Fahrenheit until fragrant. Make a chicken brine. Whisk paprika into buttermilk, add chicken wings and drumsticks and refrigerate for 8 hours before frying until crisp. Paprika can also be used for glowing skin. You can prepare a facial mask by combining a tablespoon of paprika with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply it all over your face in an even layer and leave for 20 minutes. This will even out your skin tone as well as reduce fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, sagging skin and dullness. It can also treat blemishes and blackheads, making your skin soft and glowing. However, it is advisable to do a patch test before using it topically to ensure that you do not develop allergic reactions. How to buy and store paprika? Use paprika within 6 months to maximize its taste and aroma. Place the spice in an airtight container in a cool or dark place. Instead of a clear glass container, place the spice in a dark tin container that will keep it away from direct sunlight. Seasons in which paprika is available. Paprika is available all year round. Safety profile. Regular exposure to paprika may cause certain pain neurons to become insensitive to further pain. Eating excess of paprika can cause intestinal distress in some people. Paprika causes a burning sensation which is unpleasant for many people, especially those who are not used to eating paprika. Paprika may also cause digestive distress, and some studies have associated chili consumption with cancer, although the evidence for this is very limited. Now it's time for fun facts about paprika. Paprika is so much more than a coloring agent. The peppers used to make paprika made their way to Hungary after Christopher Columbus brought them to Europe. Paprika is one of the world's most popular spices. The pepper plant was first used as decorative house plants. The plant used to make the Hungarian version of the spice was grown in 1529 by the Turks at Buda. The first recorded use of the word paprika in English is from 1896. Paprika was not used in the West until sometime during the mid-90s. Paprika has some sugar content, varying with the variety, and is richer in vitamin C than citrus food. Today, Hungary, Spain, South America, the Mediterranean, India, and California are all major producers of paprika. The most common pepper to make paprika is the sweet red pepper.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.